Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to know how we can download and install Microsoft Office for free in our computer. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser in your computer and in the search bar search for Office customization tool and press enter. Now click on the Office customization tool. Then scroll down under Office Suites. Click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. Then scroll down under app session. Check the app which you want to install in your computer. For example, I want to install Excel, OneDrive, Outlook, Publisher, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, SS. All of this application I want to install. To install, just click on this on the application which you want to install. Then click on next, and under select language, select English United States, and scroll down, click on next, scroll down, next, scroll down, next. Automatically accept the ULA, click on, and then under product key click on KMS, click on next, then click on export, and then click on Office Open XML formats, then click on OK, and then click on I accept the terms, then click on export, click on keep. The file has been downloaded. Now we need to download another tool, so click on new tab and search for Office deployment tool and press enter. Now click on this site and download this tool from here, and the tool is downloading. The tool has been downloaded. Both two files had been downloaded. Now close this and now open the file explorer, go to downloads. Now create a folder, new folder, folder name will be Office, then press enter. Now cut this file from here, Ctrl X, then go on Office and paste the file here, Ctrl V, and then just run this file, then click on yes, check and continue, then go on downloads, Office, OK, file extracted successfully, OK. Now open CMD, and CMD is opening. Then click on run as administrator, click on S, then write CD space. Now open this and copy this, then copy this path by pressing Ctrl C, then paste it here by pressing Ctrl V and press enter. Now write dir and enter. Now simply write setup/configure, then this file name configuration.xml, write capital CONFIGURATION.xml and press enter. The download of Microsoft Office has been started. It takes some time to download Microsoft Office. It depends on the internet speed and the processor of your computer and the RAM and other many things. It takes some time, so wait for it. Now we are waiting. This download has been started. Please stay online while Office downloads. We will be done in just a moment, so it takes some time, so wait for it. Now the download has been completed. Now close this. Installation is finished. Your Office product is now completely installed. You can now go offline or shut down. Now let's open Microsoft Office. Let's open Microsoft Word. WORD Word. Open it. Blank document. Let's write something, and it is working properly. And let's close it. Don't save. Let's open Microsoft Excel. Excel. Open it, and blank workbook. Write something. It is also working properly. Now let's close it. So thanks guys for watching this video. We will meet in the another session. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you guys.